Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you don't already know me, I'm Emmeline, and today I'm going to be working on a puffy bag, a puffy tote bag. I'm going to be using this red fabric for it, and I feel like it's going to give me this more aesthetic vibe. And with the remaining fabric, I'm going to be creating a Pinterest inspired outfit, and it's going to have lace and everything. I'm going to show you guys the whole process. And also, as a self-taught designer, I saw so many things online concerning the puffy bags, but I'm still going to add my knowledge to it, like make it more understandable. I'm going to be making like a beginner friendly tutorial, obviously. And um yeah, I'm excited. Oof. I just want this aesthetic, this thing. I'm also going to be creating it in black because I'm going to be wearing that around more than this red one, because this one is more of a it's going to be very picky the way I style my dresses and the color combination. So I'm going to be creating a black bag too, so that I can wear that all the time. Not like all the time, but mostly almost all the time. But you get my point. For this project, I'm going to be cutting this on a fold so that it's going to be quick for me to cut. I'm going to be using this pattern to create my blocks. Now I have about 38 pieces. What I'm going to do next is that I'm going to take two of these and I'm going to turn the right side together, and I'm going to sew around this side, around there and around there, and I'm going to leave this side open. I'm going to be doing that for everything, taking them two by two until I have 19 pieces left. So guys, after so many times on the machine, oh my god, after so many hours on the machine sewing, I am done with my 38 pieces, and we have 19. After joining them together, we have 19. And now I'm going to put in my foam. Let me show you guys the foam I plan on using. When I went to the market, they said it was 1 kilo. I don't know if it is 1 kilo, but they said it is 1 kilo, and it is not that expensive though. And I'm going to be filling it into the space there. I'm going to be sealing everything together, and oof, let's go. And now I'm going to be filling this. I'm going to be putting them little by little into this box. I'm going to put this I'm going to join them together. I'm going to join them together. I'm going to do it for every one of these boxes. I'm going to join them together. So this is everything. Now I'm going to be joining everything together. I'll be sewing around this side. I'm going to attach all of this together, and then same with 3 of this. Now I'm going to rip this side off. The thread that I'm showing right now, I'm going to take them off with my seam ripper. And now I'm going to be adding these two together. I'm going to be putting this around them, just like this. like this. I'm going to sew them around before I work with my other piece and do the same thing for my other piece. Now I am done with this, and this is how it looks like. It's very, very small. I just noticed it. Maybe next time I'm going to try to make my measurement bigger. And now we're going to do the hand. Then we're going to do the lining after that. So for the lining, we're just going to do it like the way we did the bag. That means it's going to have like two of the box and then one to like attach it together. So for the box, we have like 8 inches for the length, 8 inches for the length, 8 inches for the length, 8 inches for the length. And we have about 12 inches for the width. We're going to be cutting 2 boxes. For the side, this side, for this side, all the way around, we're going to be taking 4.5 inches for the width and 26 inches for the length. I'm going to sew around here, starting from here. I'm going to sew it. I'm going to sew it, then also take it here, then sew, then also take it here, then sew. And I'll do the same thing for the other side, so it should look like this one that we did before. So for this hand, I'm going to be using I think 16 inches to be better. 16 inches for both hands, 16 by 6. And now I'm going to be filling this. I'm going to be taking it on the sides, so it looks like this. I'm going to sew around that side. So I have done my lining, and I also added little pockets there for the inside, and I also opened this side down to turn it around. I also created small loops, like tie it instead of me hooking it. I'm going to tie it around this side. So I'm going to be putting this here and put this on the other side of the bag. Now I'm going to be putting this, inside this place. I'm going to pin them around. I'm going to pin them around while I also add my loop to it. I'm going to pin. I'm going to sew around. I'm going to turn it over from this side. So guys, after the tutorial, this is the final result. You can see how pretty it is. It's really, really cute, and you can see it has the tie something here to like tie the bag together, and then also pocket inside, and the lining is the same fabric as the material. And now I'm going to be creating my top, and I plan on using this same fabric for it, like I said before, and I'm going to be using lace to like trim it around the fabric. It's actually a very very simple top. It's a very very simple style, and I'm going to take you guys through it. So let's go. So this is my pattern here, and I'm going to get that on this. So I measured my under bust, which is 18, and then the length I want it, which is 9. Now I'm going to be adding about 1 inch to the length, and also for the under bust, I'm going to be adding, I'm making it about 30 or times 2 of this for my width, because I'm going to be adding a share. It's going to run together. Let's give it 11 instead. I'm going to trim the rest later. I'm giving it this. I reduced it. I think this is enough for my front. I'm going to be cutting another one for the back, the same measurement for the back. For both the front and the back. And I'm going to be cutting my sleeve. Now I'm going to fold this, and then I'm going to sew everything like that. I'm going to sew them. Now that I have ironed my ropes, I'm going to be working on this one. So before I add my cups, I'm going to take my lace and I'm going to create gathers around here. So now I'm going to be putting my hand, I'm going to putting it here. I'm also going to be putting this around here. I'm going to pin it together. And now I'm going to do the same thing for this side, and I'm going to sew around this side. So now that I've done the share, I'm going to iron them. And now I'm going to take my gathers here and then bunch them together, the both of them. Now for this front piece, I'm going to be adding my busts. Now that I've already joined everything together, I'm going to roll them this part with, and I've rolled them the bottom. I finished it, and now to finish it off, I'm going to be using this to create a tiny bow in front of it. Yeah, and this is how it looks after styling. And yeah, I really like it. This is how it looks, like the full version. I like it so much, like it's really cute. And yeah, and we've come to the end of this video. If you like it and you enjoy it, don't forget to subscribe and comment and share and like, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.